tamamen
You're adopted.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
Really careful, not yet. Roger.
I'll give you a piece.
Oh! Oeh, ze heeft hetzelfde.
Long live the king.
The third, what have you been up to? What was that sound?
Day 67 of my cat trying to scare me.
Вообще
Она сказала.
Izzy, are you stuck? Он вообще
Hello? Hello?
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh,
Maxi.
Que yo vine fue a esto.
Like the thing from Illinois.
Only love can hurt like this.
Давай голове.
Okay, okay.
One more hook. Okay.
She patted you back. Make it good.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
I'm so sorry for your loss.
You good?
Oh my goodness. This is Jude peeing in my puzzle.
Spoil them and teach them things that can't.
Look!
Oh my god!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah. That's...
Stop messing with me!
Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go!
What's going on, man? Oh my gosh.
Hello? Where did he go?
Up in the air!
She is so angry.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist? Any illegal contraband? Let me see.
actually giving treats to Belle.
What?
Ow! Gotta get you clean.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Get off my car.
Oh, that's good. Yep. You hot?
Somebody once told me the world.
Don't do that.
Fazendo pra mim.